So here we are. You and I, friends, are created in the image of God. Here's where we find that taproot. Here's where we find that meaning. Here's where we start making sense of ourselves. Whatever it is that we struggle with in life, here's where we find our foundation, is in the image of God within us. As we read in Genesis 1, humans are a special and a unique part of God's creation. The only part of God's creation that was actually made in His image. The world really is trying to remake us in its image, but that requires separating us from what God has intended. But God's word about you is better than the world's word about you. Here's how to think about it. What your Creator says about you is the most important thing about you. What your Creator says about you is the most important thing about you. God's stamp on you, made in His image, makes you valuable. It makes you an eternal creature. When you die, you do not disappear. You find yourself immediately in eternity. God's stamp on you makes you an object of His eternal and steadfast love.